In this video, we will be talking about using Klarna on Zalando. So without further ado, let's get started. So to start, browse through Zalando's diverse selection to find the items that pique your interest. Now, add your preferred choices to the shopping cart. And when you're ready to complete the purchase, proceed to the checkout page and finalize the transaction. Now, here comes the exciting part. When selecting your payment method, be sure to look for options like Klarna or any mention of buy now, pay later or installment plans. Now, if you have a Klarna account, you may be prompt to log in. No need to worry if you don't have an account, you can still proceed with a one-time purchase. Okay, so now take a moment to review your order, ensuring everything looks good, and then click confirm button. Now, if you've chosen the pay later option, then Klarna will provide you with the specific information about when and how you will need to make the payment. And that's it. You're all good to go with your Zalando Picks, and Klarna has you covered with a range of payment options. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.